In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're updating your site or cleaning it up, knowing how to efficiently remove pages can make the process smoother and keep your site organized. Deleting a page is fairly straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Sites. If you haven't done this before, simply type Google Sites into your search engine and click on the official link. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in with your Google account if you're not logged in already. This will allow you to access your sites. After signing in, you'll see a list or grid of the sites you've created or have access to. Click on the site where you want to delete a page. This will open the site in the editor mode, allowing you to make changes to its contents and structure. Once you're in the site editor, navigate to the right-hand side of the page. Here, you should see several tabs, including one labeled Pages. Click on the Pages tab to access a list of all the pages within your site. This panel displays a structured layout of your site, with each page neatly organized. Look through the list and find the page you want to delete. As you hover over each page name, a small three-dot menu icon should appear to the right of it. This is your access point for more options. Hovering over this icon will prepare you to take the next step. Go ahead and click on the three-dot menu. Upon doing so, a drop-down menu of options will appear. From this menu, select Delete. As with any action that involves deleting content, make sure that you truly want to delete the page, as this action cannot be undone. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're removing the correct page to avoid any accidental deletions. Once you've clicked Delete, you'll typically be asked to confirm this decision with a prompt. Review the prompt, and if you're certain, confirm your selection. This will finalize the deletion and the page will be removed from your site's structure. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a page from your Google site. This process can be repeated as needed for any other pages you wish to remove. If you decide later that you want to recreate the page, you'll need to start from scratch, so keep that in mind when making deletions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment or check Google's support resources for more assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy site editing.